Good day, viewers. You are welcome. How to solve these nice functional equations? We are given f of x equals x squared minus 6x plus 12. And also, we have function in another functions, just like a composite function, which the value of it is given as 256. And we don't know the function that equals this, but we are just given that f of x equals 256. So there are easy way to solve this because we are looking for the value of x. So to solve this, let's consider the solution here. The question says f of x equals x squared minus 6x plus 12. Here is the given question. So before solving it further, let's say we have this written in the form of x squared minus 6x plus 9 plus 3. Here is a quadratic function. And here x squared minus 6x plus, so 9 here is the same thing as 3 squared, then plus 3. While the whole of this expression starting from x squared to plus 3 squared, they are given as x minus 3 squared plus 3. So if you have the function written it in this form as f of x equals x minus 3 squared plus 3. Then let's start from, if we now have another function introduced to this, that is the whole of this one become, let me just name this one y, for instance. So if we try to be introducing it into this, that is only this x here now, when we introduce another function like f of x, we are now interested that all these values now have become y, for instance. Therefore, any place we see x, we'll be replacing it with the whole of this. That is, we now have open bracket, the x here only is now everything that we have here, that is y. So if we now have y, then so we're now going to have minus 3 squared plus 3. So this is what we are going to have. But initially at the top, everything here is now our y. Let's now replace y with the whole of this. We have x minus 3 squared, then plus 3. Another minus 3 is here, all raised to power of 2 plus 3. And everything here is equals 259. If plus 3 minus 3 cancelled, we have x minus 3 squared, then all squared, plus 3 equals 259. And by rule of exponents, these two will multiply 2. And when 2 multiplies 2, we have x minus 3 raised to power of 4 plus 3 equals 259. By subtracting 3 from both sides, we have 3 cancelled 3. And here we have x minus 3 raised to power 4 equals 259 minus 3. That gives us 256. And what is 256? 256 is more of when we have 4 to the power of 4. That is in exponent form. Here we are interested to get only the real solutions. We don't want to get the complex solutions. By taking the fourth root of both sides here, we are going to have, so here we have x minus 3 will be equals minus plus 4. By taking this minus 3 to other side, we have x equals 3 minus plus 4. So considering the negative first, we have x1 equals 3 minus 4, which equals minus 1. And we consider the x2, that is 3 plus 4, which is 7. So the two real solutions for this are x1 is minus 1 and x2 is 7. This is how we solve this with this amazing method. If you have any other method of solving this problem, we can drop it in the comment box. And don't forget to give a thumb up, subscribe to this channel and share the videos. See you in the next class. Never stop learning. Bye bye.